welcome back. In this video, we're going to create the running animation. So I've made another video on this and I will link that one. That one is going to go into a lot of detail. For this one, I'm probably going to speed it up and just go through the process. But first, I'm going to create a new animation and I will call this player.run. And now I've got this blank scene right here, this blank animation, so I can go ahead and get started. I'm going to start off by opening this up to run cycle for reference. I'm not the greatest animator, so I do rely on other people's wisdom here. So I'm going to use that, and then I will move my Unity over to the side here, so that way I can look at both at the same time. Okay, so let's go ahead and hit record, and I'm just going to do the leg first. Okay, so there we have a pretty decent run. The last thing that I want to do, oops, didn't mean that. Okay, go back to our run. The very last thing that we want to do is we want to copy this frame, which apparently I messed up this leg. Oh, there we go. We're going to take this frame right here, copy it, and the last frame that I did was at 70. I'm just going to go over here to 80, Control V to paste it, and then if I push play right here, we got a nice, pretty decent, smooth run. I might want to speed that up a little bit. So, go right here. Everything's all selected. I'm here at 80 frames. I might want to shrink that down to 60. There it goes. All right, that's looking pretty good. In the next video, we will switch between idling